I'm Jessie.
Hi everyone, my name is Isabel.
Today we're going to show you how to make chicken noodle soup. It's the best soup that you can have when you are sick because it has all the nutrition in there, and after you drink it, it's going to make you feel better, right?
I'm going to touch this water.
You like the chicken noodle soup, right? Do you?
Yes.
Yes?
I like this water.
Okay, so let's get started, yes?
Yes.
Okay. So first we're going to select saute mode.
And you don't smell like pizza here.
We're going to put a little bit of olive oil.
Okay.
Okay. And we're going to put the onion in. So you can use either half of a big one or one small one.
I did it right.
Okay. Okay. And then we're going to put the chicken in. So one by one.
Did I get it one?
Yes. I bought the chicken in Trader Joe. You can get about 1.5 pounds of chicken legs. You want to cook it with the bones because the bone is where the taste come from. Okay. And then we're gonna put the
milk.
No, this is chicken soup. I got it in Trader Joe as well. So I have about 3 cups left in there. So we're gonna put everything in there. And Isabel would love to help.
Can I do it?
Yes, everything. You put everything in there. So about 3 cups of chicken soup. Okay. And I'm gonna put in the 4 cups of water. This is very heavy. I'll do this one, okay?
I'll do it you.
Okay. So 4 cups of water. And I'm gonna put in just a little bit of thyme in there. Yes, put everything in there. Okay. And I'm gonna close the lid.
Yes,
And we're gonna make the broth in high pressure for 10 minutes.
It's tight, it's tight.
It's tight?
Yeah.
So pressure cook for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
With 6.
And I'll show you what we're gonna do next after this. And that's what it's gonna look like. We have the broth ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the chicken. You wanna tell people about the pasta? What is the pasta you eat?
I eat this pasta.
Yeah.
And let's see this.
That kind of pasta. This is the egg noodles because they're eggs. And Isabel.
I also eat this one.
No, you can't. You know why?
Why?
Because there's eggs there. Remember, Isabel have egg allergy.
Yeah, after other one, my favorite. After other one noodles.
You have to eat the other one, right?
Yeah.
With no eggs.
Yeah. So I also eat this, but this is not noodles, so that's why I can't eat it.
Yep. So now when the broth is done.
Yeah, we can taste some spice.
I take out all the onions and the chicken. And in the back, I already have Isabel's pasta boiling for about 7 minutes.
Yeah, so that's why it would take for a little bit longer.
Yes. And we put the carrots and the celeries. 1.5 cups of the celery and about 1 cup of carrots.
Okay.
We're gonna put it in the water. It's hot, okay? Be careful. Okay, so we're also gonna add 2 more cups of water.
Okay. One more.
Okay. And we're gonna just close the lid.
And don't forget, water heats fries.
And how long are we gonna make it for this one? Do you know?
20.
No, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yep. So 5 minutes on high pressure. Okay, so while this is cooking, we're gonna separate the chicken because we cook the chicken with the bones, so we need to debone the chicken. Do you know what we're gonna do?
No.
Okay, let me show you first, okay?
And then I can do it over myself.
You can do it all by yourself. So we have to take off the chicken from the bone. I don't like the skin, so I'm gonna take off the skin as well.
I know now.
After I cook the carrots and celery for 5 minutes, just let the air out, and we're on the last step now. Okay, so be careful. It's hot. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the chicken that I shredded from the bone. It's hot, Isabel. I'm gonna do it, okay?
I'm just going to cut in the back.
Do you like this kind of chicken?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like the other chicken too.
Okay.
I like other chicken.
So I already cooked her pasta earlier. Normally people use egg noodles to eat with the chicken noodle soup, but because she has an allergy to eggs, so she's gonna have her own kind of pasta that has no eggs. We don't put this in, we leave it here. And we're gonna put in the parsley.
I can do it all
yes,
by myself.
yes,
I'm just making sure.
that's good.
I'm just making sure I don't put this bowl down.
And we're gonna put salt. So easy on the salt. I usually just put 1 tablespoon, and if it, oh, that's good. That's it.
Okay.
Because I don't want it to be too salty. If you need a little more, then you can put it in your own bowl. So now
Can I mix it?
it's all done. No, it's hot, Isabel. If you like, you can also take off the oil on the top of the soup.
Yeah, I want Oreos.
So I like to just drain out a little oil because it's all the fat from the chicken.
I like the soup better.
I know you like the soup.
Why don't you just the soup on it?
Do you like the chicken too? And you like the carrots, right?
I don't like the carrot.
You do like the carrots. You like the carrots, right?
Just want the soup.
Okay, so we'll just take out the oil on the top. Okay. So now we're gonna just put the chicken soup into the pasta. So that's Isabel's dinner, right? For tonight?
I can do it all by myself.
It's very heavy, Isabel, and hot. No. I'm gonna take it out like this. Okay?
But I don't want to eat these. I just like to eat the chicken.
You're gonna have the chicken and the pasta, no?
Chicken.
Okay. So we're gonna try the soup now. We're gonna try the chicken noodle soup. I'm gonna hold on. Yummy? Do you like the chicken noodle soup? Okay. That's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.